I'm in Ballard at a hidden gem located just underneath the Ballard Bridge called Mean Sandwich. Dan Crookston is the owner and mastermind behind it all.
Mean sandwich, so is that kind of like, you make a mean sandwich?
I think so. I want to be humble, but we do make really delicious food, and we try really hard to make chef-driven, delicious flavors that you can be proud of eating and you can tell your friends about.
I've brought friends here before.
I definitely brought my boyfriend here for the first time, and he's become a regular.
I don't know, it's always friendly. The owners are always super friendly.
The menu itself is working very hard to be atypical.
But today I ordered the oyster po' boy, and it is fantastic.
Today I got their mean sandwich. They're kind of Reuben-like.
The mean sandwich, our namesake, is thick cut corned beef instead of thin cut. It's on a burger bun, and it has fresh picked mint and pickled cabbage that we do here. And then the secret ingredient in there is a little bit of Vermont maple syrup.
Their unique sandwiches and potatoes called skins and ends are what keep people coming back.
I'm mainly here for the skins.
The loaded skins and ends.
They have the skins and ends, and they're delicious.
Our skins and ends are different. They are made out of a whole potato that's been baked, cut into quarters, and then we cut out the center part. So you have both the skin and the end, and then we chop that all together and deep fry it. So you get crispy bits and thick, chunky bits.
Really good. I kind of get them every time I order a sandwich.
What is it about the Washington potatoes that you like?
My favorite thing about Washington potatoes is their freshness. You know, there's something about Washingtonians, and there's a can-do sense, and it comes from the fishermen, it comes from the farmers.